I'm Emily Fetters. I'm a sixth-year Ph.D. student at the UAF Geophysical Institute, and I study sea ice geophysics. I'm from Beckley, West Virginia, which is from sort of the southern part of West Virginia in the Appalachian Mountains, so a really beautiful spot to grow up with lots of outdoor opportunities. I've been in Alaska for 6 years now, as long as I've been a student at UAF. I study sea ice geophysics from a material physical properties perspective. So as the ice is drifting around in the ocean, pieces of ice are running into each other and deforming and breaking, and I'm studying that sort of breaking process. And studying that's important both from a sort of large-scale climate perspective and from a local scale sea ice conditions perspective for folks that are using the ice for travel and subsistence activities, and wanting to know that the ice is stable for those activities. And then from a larger scale climate perspective, caring about things like the energy balance of the Arctic and how much heat the ocean is able to absorb versus how much heat is being reflected by the sea ice. So I've gotten to see a variety of really interesting sea ice environments around Alaska and off the Alaskan coast, including pressure ridges, which can be sort of 10 feet high or more, to these really large chunks of fresh ice that had actually broken off of glaciers and drifted around the Arctic until they ended up off the coast of Utqiagvik several years ago, and got to set up the ground-based radar I've been working with on top of one of those ice blocks. It was probably almost 20 feet tall. It was really large. I've definitely gotten to benefit from opportunities to go and do field work. Obviously, you could do field work in Alaska, flying here from somewhere else, but I feel like it's really nice to have easier access to Arctic field sites if you're going to study cryospheric science, and I've definitely gotten to benefit from that easy access to field sites in Utqiagvik and Nome, as well as just the awesome recreational opportunities around town. Skiing is sort of my main winter recreation, and then I really enjoy running on the trails in the summertime, and pack rafting and hiking and going on cabin trips with friends. I think that one of the things that I really appreciated about UAF and my experience as a grad student is that it's a really nice, convenient location, launching point for doing research across the Arctic. One of the great things about being at the GI is that there are a variety of experts and a variety of fields that you can work with, ask questions from, learn from, and that's been really nice throughout my research.